This is Nancy Pelosi, and today I'm live in the voice channel of The Edge. Today I'm live trading, and it's Saturday, 07/26/2025. We just got done with Solana. There's 5 people here following me. A little crowd, but we did a great 12% trade a second ago in Solana. We caught the fade, and I'm here in Ape about to catch this fade. So I already got my levels marked right here. This is premium zone for me. So what I'm looking for, premium zone, discount zone. So what I'm looking for, show you how I got these. There. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for price to go ahead and trade up and then go down. So this is around here is probably in this zone is my TP. I'm expecting it to trade up like that and then down. So or trade up like that and then it could go there. And then TP would not be anything because I'm not going to trade long. I would just wait for it to then get liquidity out there and then come down. So essentially, it doesn't matter, if it goes like this or if it goes like this. Here it goes. We still TP the same place. Okay, so pretty much the volume was low. We'll see what it is Saturday. See how it goes. There it goes. I wanted to enter here, and this is my swing trade. So I'm going to enter 3 times. Enter. So that was my first entrance. And here goes 0.62. Second entrance, and then I have already pre-plotted. It should come down to here. I'm going to sell. Entered again. Those 3 entrances. Now I'm only worried about the TP. Let's TP this thing. I'm hoping I get moved down here, and I'm done. So a little short of that. SL right here now. Oh, we're going to do it to break even. So let's see. Again, these are 3 trades. So since I did 3 trades, that's how I do it. 3 trades, I'll go into the move so I get the full move down. So I don't enter on the way down, on the way in the move. I enter before the move even happens. I front run it. So that's how I do these trades. So kind of swing trades, I call them. But yeah, they make sure I get the full profit because I slowly go into them. This wasn't so slow because this was really fast. You always got to be prepared. But it kind of went the exact route we wanted to. There you go. Okay. Well, I think it's going to. I know it's probably going to come down here to this liquidity level. So we just wait patiently. You guys in? Give me a thumbs up in the chat. All right. Sometimes you never know. You guys in? Yeah. You don't hear from you. You don't know. So we got 4 people in. On my exchange, I'm times 10 leverage. These guys have been asking me questions all day, which is awesome. Easy, how great and easy this opportunity is to make money and to change our lives. So right now we get this pullback back into the fair value gap is really what happened. This is where I really scaled in. Okay, so I saw this come down, and I entered, and then when I got this pullback in this fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame fair value gap, I knew I needed to enter. Okay, so here we go. Take profits down here. Okay, so come on, we get the flip the clip. Yeah, there you go. And I added to it, and now of the local area we were in, this is my zone here. Template discount. Yeah, seriously. There we go. There you go. Boom. Done. Over. Okay. So let's see real quick. Get my exchange out. Yeah, so this is a good trade. It's over. It's just quick. Usually these kind of trades aren't so quick, but this one was. Go ahead and post this real quick. There we go. Profits. It's not bad. I entered essentially right here, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Okay, so this is a decent gain. Times 10 leverage. I don't do too high leverage on this. So and usually these trades are about 30 minutes. So I this one was just a fast moving trade. So good, big W. Okay, but yeah. So pretty much my entrances were 0.630. And then I already had pre-plotted up here. I already had pre-plotted because I knew the true draw was below. I knew it was going to manipulate it up, tag this liquidity, and then displace down. And then I knew it was going to then equalize and attempt to go back to equilibrium. However, it didn't have the momentum. As a result, it's going to have to tag down, and that's when I was going to get it. Is you can't. I did enter down here. Technically, I entered on this candle, but I entered way down here after the falling knife was already over. After it already grabbed this liquidity. So at that point, it's more of under control here, and then I could still work the momentum. Okay, but you can't catch this. That's stupid. But when you come to the end, especially when it's working this, I knew that there was still this. That's what happens all the time. This fair value gap. I knew it wasn't going to come past this fair value gap. I knew it wasn't going to go back to equilibrium like it was going to eventually. But until it grabbed the liquidity below, which is inside this discount zone here, so that's what I did. I knew take profit was going to be down here, and so I knew that once it passed this liquidity zone right here, I knew that it was going to go. Once it passes here, I got confirmation. I knew it was going to go here. So that's it. So again, I'm going to look at doing this much more often, a couple times a week. As far as these live streams, I look forward to having more people in here. We do have, they're all posting W's in the chat. All right, that's it. That's it, guys. That's what it's all about. That's all I care about is filling y'all's bags. You know what I'm saying? So I've done it for many years for myself. And as always, guys, trade safe. Let the market deliver to you. Nancy, out.